Alright, day 2, second startup. Idling great now. I think I have to go up one on the pilot jet. It's got a little bit of a hanging idle. But as soon as I give it a little choke, it calms right down immediately. So, got the fuel screw out. Almost 3.5 turns. I don't dare go too much more without adjusting the pilot jet. But yeah, runs great. Idle's awesome. Go kill that. Give you a little once over. Still got to do a little bit of electrical work here. I'm trying to find the stock cable, but people want a lot of money for that thing. I do a little bit of touch up here. It's alright. I do have the stock plastic cover that goes there. Just haven't put it on yet. Mostly stainless steel hardware. Was able to find a used toolbox. I still got to clean it up a little bit. But yeah, got the toolbox. Whole rear end's obviously rebuilt. All new bearings, all new seals. I was able to remove the spring, built my own spring compressor so I can get that spring powder coated. The shock body is just spray paint. Shock is basically shot. The spring works, obviously, but it's non-rebuildable and you cannot find them anymore. New rear brake, all new seals. Drum was resurfaced. This exhaust I actually picked up on eBay. Sandblasted the whole thing. Came out actually great. No rot whatsoever. I was a little scared of that. Still bought the original clean out. New gasket there. I do have the cap for this. Again, haven't put it on yet. And we're talking all new cables everywhere. The carburetor was rebuilt. The oil line, I think I'm gonna take that off and clean that up a little better. But I sort of was getting antsy, wanted to get it running. Yeah, this does have the 200X front end, which gives you a hydraulic disc brake, which is a big upgrade for the 250SX with the stock drum brake. This front tire's shot, doesn't hold air anymore. I got a new one coming. Should be here, I believe, in a couple days. I gotta do a little touch up. This high temp paint. This exhaust didn't really hold up too well. After 2 starts, already flaking off. Good old Rust-Oleum, huh? It's alright. Easy fix. So yeah, I've got the 200X front end, 250SX handlebars, Renthal, aluminums. Got the 350X headlight with a 250R front fender. So she's a little bit of a Frankenstein, but I love it. Just picked up a brand new Honda Switch. Everything's nice and new. Choke still works. Actually picked that up for only 50 bucks. Found it new old stock sitting on eBay. I do have the covers for the right and left side of the switch. It's a brand new Honda Switch off of a Big Red. Nice new key. Just rewired it. Fit perfect. So yeah. And I do have new Mayer plastics with a nice new bright blue seat. So it's all ready to go. So only a couple more small things to get for this bad boy and then she's complete. Alright, till the next one.